I'm Georgina Hamblin. I am founder of Hamblin Family Law, so I'm a divorce lawyer dealing with all things surrounding that, so finance, children and obviously domestic abuse. The first thing is to be having open discussions with their employees, not making them repeat their story to a number of different people. They should have their sort of core trusted person that they're liaising with who's helping them through this. And they need to be aware that it's going to take time. This is not going to be something that you can give them a couple of weeks off for and then hope that they'll just be business as usual after that. It's going to be a lengthy process, and that first month, especially if you're going to apply for orders to remove the other party from the house, is going to be very intense, lots of hearings and lots of time off work, but then it could go on for 12, 18 months, possibly longer. And so it's really about getting a kind of broad plan in place with your employee to show them that you're going to support them through it and work flexibly around it, and help them, make sure that they've got the help they need outside from professionals, without taking it on too much that they get so involved themselves that they become part of the process.
Okay.
Yeah, there are some really excellent organisations that exist, both charitable and private, to help people through the court process and all of the stresses and financial concerns that go with that. I would say, obviously, that it's good to get professional advice from a solicitor and get a good legal team around you that's going to be proactive and not lean on you to make decisions, but help you make them and put a plan in place. There is support through court, which helps litigants in person be able to deal with the challenges and face court alone, or get them the help they need through Advocate, which is an organisation that provides pro bono barrister support. But support through court is a very good first touching point for employers to reach out and see what help they can get for their staff. And also there's a resource called Courtney, which is the first audiovisual platform that provides videos of what sort of court hearings are going to be like, what is going to be considered at each one, and has fact sheets for all of the sort of important stages of litigation. So it's all there, not just in black and white, but in an audiovisual, really accessible resources. So I'd really recommend that, and it's not expensive. It's £25 for an individual to get access to all of that, and it's basically what your best friend would say if they were a lawyer, what you should avoid and what you should do.